Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to change Buy It Now button color in Shopify. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to go to your Shopify account and let's just say this is your online store and this is your product. And as you can see here, there is a button that says Buy It Now. So what are we going to do is to change this Buy It Now button. So how are we going to do that? First, you have to go back to your Shopify account and then you have to scroll down or go to online store and click the three dots beside customize. And then you have to look for edit code. Okay, tap edit code. And then here you have to go to assets. You have to look for assets so that you can see the option that says base.css. And then once you tap this base.css, you can see lots of codes here, right? But don't worry, you will not do any coding here. All you have to do is to simply scroll down to the very bottom. Okay, and you can see there an empty space. This is where you're going to paste the code that we're going to get from another link. Okay, so open a new link tab and go to the site. Don't worry, you can just simply type this paste bin. And as you can see here below, buy it now button color. So you just have to control A or select this, copy, and then go back to your Shopify account and then paste it right here. That's it. And then as you can see, if we're going to paste this, and then you see this color here, and there's a corresponding number symbol, something like that. All you have to do is just simply copy this one and go to Google to see the result of that color. So if I'm going to paste it right here, you can see the color of my button or my Buy It Now button is color red. If you don't like this, and if you want to change it to another color, all you have to do is just simply drag it and pick the color that you want. So let's just say, for example, I want color green, okay? And then you just have to copy this numbers and symbol. Go to Shopify and paste it right here, okay? And then click Save. Now, if you go back to your store and then check the color of the Buy It Now button, you can see there that the color has changed into green. You can find the link to Shopify in the description below. So that's it. That's how easy it is to use ChatGPT to write code. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.